Hey guys, it's your girl, Lady Lydia, and I am coming to you with a different pound cake. This is a lemon flavored pound cake with egg whites. Yes, I said egg whites. So, without further ado, we're going to jump into this. Now, I'm using 5 eggs for this recipe. We're going to separate the eggs, and then we're going to start with blending our egg whites together. We're going to blend them until they form soft peaks. So depending on the type of blender you're using, you want to allow it to form, and you'll see in the video how the soft peaks should look. Also, after that, we're going to set it to the side and get started with our cake. So I'm not going to talk your heads off, but listen, don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll chat with you in a minute. So now we are making our cake. Now in this recipe, I'm using 2.5 sticks of butter and about 2 tablespoons of bacon shortening. So if you don't have the shortening, feel free to use all butter, or you could just go along with 2.5 sticks of butter if you are cutting down. But anyway, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and continue with this recipe, and I'll be back with you shortly. everything together as it pertains to the flour and the butter and the sugar. So now we're going to prepare our batter to add in our egg whites. Now I am adding in a teaspoon of lemon extract. 1 or 2 teaspoons is okay with you, depending on how lemony you may want it to be. That's totally up to you. But I wanted a kind of a light lemon taste. I didn't want it to be overpowering. But anyway, so I'm stirring it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and start folding in our egg whites. Remember, fold it, don't stir it, don't blend it, just fold it gently into it, so it can kind of still be a little airy. And then after that, we're gonna put it in our pan and bake it at 325 degrees for about 1 hour and 15 to 20 minutes. Again, it also depends on your oven. Okay, so then after that, we're going to go ahead and make our frosting and have a taste. Alright guys, so we have baked the cake. It is out of the oven, it is cooling, and look how beautiful it is. So I'm just making a basic glaze with some lemon juice and some powdered sugar. It's totally up to you how much you want to make. I didn't want to make a whole lot. I just wanted to have like a thin coating on the cake. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and do this, and next we're going to go ahead and decorate the cake. And baby, it is time to cut a slice. Look how easy that knife, and this is this knife is actually a little dim. So just look how smooth and soft this cake is. Oh, I am so excited to taste a piece of this cake because I've never made it like this. This is my first time actually making this cake. So what we're gonna do is give it a taste, and while I get ready to taste this cake, I want to thank you all for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much again. Take care.